What's up guys, this is going to be a DIY video on how to cut your current sweatpants into short pants. Now I wanted to get something like this that you see here. I saw these online and I was just going to buy them, and then I thought to myself, wait, I have some sweatpants that fit me a little big and I'm kind of over them, so I thought why not just cut them into the shorts, and voila, they came out pretty good if I do say so myself. You can obviously cut them into the length that you desire to have them. So I did cut it like maybe 4 inches or 5 inches above the knee. So I do take my measuring tape, and as you see here, you'll see me having the scissors, and then I'll get my first pair of sweatpants, and then I take the measuring tape from the top to the bottom, and I did measure them as I tried them on to see exactly where I wanted them to be on the cut. So when I tried them on, they were about at 16.5, so that's where I cut all of my sweatpants, 16.5 or 17. Now I take the measuring tape first when I do the first cut on one of the sides of the leg, because I do both legs once at a time. So there you go, there goes the first leg that I cut off, and obviously it's not going to be a perfect line, but if you have good scissors that cut pretty well with fabric, then you should get a pretty good line. And then of course I just kind of pull them together when I cut both of the legs, and this is what they look like. The first pair, this is actually the shortest pair, and I did like it at this length, but I kind of wanted them a little longer, so I went a little bit longer on the next few sweatpants that I go with. Now here's the next pair, and these are just some white with like turquoise, like mint green tie-dye, and I'm just going to take my scissors and take the measuring tape and just put it to where I tried them on and wanted them to be. And again, I did want them to be a little longer than the first pair I cut, so I went ahead and added like 1.5 inches to the next following pairs. And then I cut one leg off first, and then from there I'll just trace to the other leg and just cut it off to the same length. I do measure it just to double check, and then at the end I will once again just kind of put them together, like I'll fold them in like that, and then I'll just see if they are, and as you can see right there, there's a piece on the bottom leg that was very off, and you see me here just cutting it off. So that's all you gotta do, just make sure that they're at the same length, and if there's a little bit extra fabric on one side, just go ahead and cut it off. Now here's the next pair, and this is just a pink pair of sweatpants that fit me a bit too baggy, so I wanted to cut these off as well. And basically going to do the same thing that you've already seen me doing with the ones I did before this one. One thing I do definitely recommend that you have is a good pair of scissors. I do think I said this in the beginning of the video, but definitely get some good pairs of scissors that cut into fabric well, just so you could get a better line when you're cutting. It just makes it easier to get a better cutting to it. And then of course, so scissors, measuring tape, and then whatever sweatpants you want to cut. So that's all you basically need. And the next are just basically self-explanatory. You've already seen me doing it, like I said, so I'll just let you guys enjoy the music and watch me cut these sweatpants. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a really quick one, but it's really easy. Something you can do at home. So another little DIY. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.